The oneness among people from different caste, creed, sex, religion, culture, lifestyle, and beliefs refers to the phrase unity in diversity. In India, there exists a unity in diversity among citizens. The faith in brotherhood bonds the people living in India. Unity in diversity is one of the most outstanding characteristics of the nation. Diverse religions like Hinduism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, and others coexist in the country with their ultimate faith in the divine power. Indians take part in all festivals, even if they do not belong to that particular religion. People get to experience various flavors of life from this unity. In India, people from different caste, creed, sex, and culture receive education and work together for better productivity. Unity in diversity ensures equal opportunities to all. India strongly believes that living together with love and harmony provides the real essence of life and thus celebrates unity in diversity. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.